Why didn't you explore that over my body?
Nobody's gonna leave you away.
Adrian,
We don't want sour wine.
Adrian.
So, I'm off to an audition. The crazy part about this audition is it's a very good friend of mine's script. He wrote a script for a pilot for a show. I wish he could just give me the role, but I don't think it's that kind of thing. I think he just wrote someone else's producing. Anyway, Ethan, I went to an audition for a pilot in the hope that I get the pilot, and then after the pilot, I hope the pilot gets picked up. I don't know. It's a lot of hoping, but it was a lot of fun. Yeah. Daddy's gotta go to a gig. Uncle Prince is coming later, then we're going to drive together to Pretoria. But there's riots in Pretoria. Natalie?
Alfred?
You know there's riots in Pretoria? Because I've got a gig. Gotta pay these rates and taxes.
The sick. Nice.
Ethan's got a lot of clothes.
Pep stores. Oh. Can you believe it? I'm gonna go buy some more.
Daddy's gotta go soon. He's waving. Bye. Bye. When last did you dye this on?
I'm about to go in. But show the scenes. We had a gig in Pretoria. And a proof.
Die mensen is even comedy nie. Hulle praat met mekaar.
That's wild. I'm next.
One more joke, and then I'm gonna go home and cry.
We're going to drop Mercy. It's Friday and Natalie's home, and we're gonna go and drop Mercy off because it's not safe, because people have a perception that you have cash on you on the end of the month. Ethan, you're gonna go Tata? Those brothers, what is in that backpack? Your essentials. What do you carry around? It's an empty backpack. Just likes to carry the backpack. Now officially become a dad. You know you're a dad when you take your family out on a Friday night to the Spur. What gaat waar?
Relocation sale.
They like a sale. So it's Saturday morning and we have a lot going on today. First of all, we're going to breakfast now because my cousin is in from out of town, so we haven't seen her in a while, and the kids. So we're gonna have breakfast, and then after that we are probably going to help my other cousin go and look at a car that she wants to buy, and she just wants my input. And then last but not least, we've got Adrian's birthday, which starts at 2, so we gotta squeeze all the stuff in. Hello Mensa.
Hello.
Hi. Ek is al 2 ure by hierdie oompie. Ek ken al die waiters se name.
Oh, everyone said, let's come. No, it's gonna be 9:30. 9:30? Never. Hey boys, how are you doing? Yes, adults. Cousins. Ethan doesn't know what to do with all the cousins that he's got from nowhere. Where is these people? Daddy, why didn't you tell me about these people?
You know, when you see them, then you know what another one.
Ah.
Yeah, no, I don't. Why are you jumping here?
Just take Ethan, you don't have to.
What are you writing? Monday? English. Hi, Monday.
It's fine, you speak English.
Fine. And you? Oh. Yo, are you on Sada? The old days you used to have to write a letter. You guys have to write a letter. No such thing. Ibanez getting a first car. Are you excited, Nes?
Yes.
Even his mom is going through relationship issues. It's a relationship drama. What's going on with you and mommy? Ethan, press a button. Press a button. Yay! Now drive him, drive him, drive him, drive him. Hey. Do you like him? This is Adrian's post-birthday. It's not his birthday anymore. Long. So it's just an excuse to drink.
Exactly. We just stretch it out over the
Are you making the potje on the gas?
Yeah, no, I'm actually being lazy today. I'm doing
No fire.
a European potjie.
No fire.
But check this thing, man. Cracked it yesterday. Had it for 15 years. Got it on my 21st.
15-year-old kanonkop.
And I thought it was going to be vinegar. That's why I opened it yesterday. And no,
It's a winner.
Julle syk vandag.
How many liters is
You guys
that?
are thirsty?
Is that what? 9 liters
Yeah.
of wine. How many people are coming?
I think like 10.
So like a liter per person because Natalie's not drinking. You see when people move out of Belleville. Now, it's ostrich pastrami. What happened to penny polony? And it's your parcel.
You guys got difficult and that's why there's no penny polonies here.
You see the baba, Ethan? So baba?
Papa. Really? Is it too fast? Chicken curry, guys.
Open this one.
Do you want to see this one?
What are you doing with this one?
This is a lamb pot, my classic lamb pot. The one
Classic
I make.
lamb pot.
Yeah.
But there's a recipe that never stay the same. How can it still be a classic?
No, this is now
Take
a
toner
real.
and other good.
The first recipe I made up in my head, just like trying als een kak.
Is
And
there
now it's
chutney
actually-
going in here?
No, no chutney.
Is there chutney going in?
There's no chutney in this house. We don't own chutney.
Hey, jeez, these kids are just like adults. Hello, sir. I'll take a left. How are you doing? Good. Hello.
Hello. Whoa. Hi. How are you?
No, bro. Hi, Dave. You're gonna be in a vlog, Dad. So desperate, eh?
Oh, yeah.
Good, man. Long time no see.
ages. Hello, you.
That's Brazil with the chips.
Yeah.
Hello. How are you?
How are you?
Yeah.
Today I went there to get the meat and stuff, and then I had to get some spice for the chicken curry.
Yeah.
So they have like a spice section there.
Yeah.
And there was an uncle there by the nearby, and so I got the spice. And the brother's like, "Are you from Durban?" I'm like, "No, I'm from Cape Town." And then he walked over to me and started chatting and whatever. He said, "Oh, you like it? How long you been living here? You like it here?" I'm like,
It was at that point that you had to know that they're gonna try to roof you.
And then the oak starts talking about, you know, I used to do big business in jewelry around there in Cape Town, you know, and then
This bra's got a
and then
fresh
he
one
started
on the
saying,
boot.
I, you know, sometimes I fall upon some watches, you know, some tags, some Rolex.
Fall upon some watches. I think a couple of watches have fallen upon the ground
You had to
from the
raise
bucky.
I just fell upon a 200 rand.
He's like, yeah, it retails for about 5.5. I'm like, there's no tags going for 5.5.
I'm gonna drink a thing out of the vase.
This is like it. Now you quiet, huh?
Yeah.
You got a lot to say, nah, nothing.
There's a lot of people that I owe a lot of money to.
Yeah.
It's always liquor by the aunties and uncles' houses. I don't know why. I don't know if it's just because it's not your own house, it's liquor. You can catch on all the cuck in the world, eh?
Why is your hand in your nose?
Liquor.
No,
What did you say?
No.
Why you look so red? You look so red.
Because I'm from the UK.
Oh. Good morning.
Daddy.
Just as he's vannacht.